A little slick. Yep. Oh, yep. You can see it?
Okay. Where do we? Right through there?
Yes, sir. Whoa.
The drops.
Waterfall right there.
There's a good pool there too.
Awesome.
You see this? This tree, these trees there that has that gray bark and that comes up
over here? Yes, sir.
and that comes up almost into right? It's called bacano. Right? They use it. It's a medicine. The leaves, when it's dry, you boil it and you use it for coughs and colds.
So it'd be like a tea?
It's like
Make
a tea.
a tea?
Yes. Right?
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can also grind it.
Okay.
Right? And make it into like a syrup. And you sweeten with brown sugar.
Okay.
Right? Boil and heat it up and then drink it as a syrup.
It's like they say, take a little bit of sugar with your medicine.
Right. That's the idea. When we were small, my mother used to make that for us.
Right?
Yeah. So.
But.
See him?
Oh, a spider. Yeah. I got a buddy of mine. He likes to pet them.
Okay.
He just walk up to them and.
Right.
See?
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look at it. Look at it. Growing off the rocket.
Right.
Beautiful, huh?
Yeah. God's creation is amazing,
right.
Isn't it?
It is. It is. It is. Look at this one here.
Yeah.
This one here coming off. Fantastic. No, not really. Because you see how he's facing downward, right? So no moisture could settle on him.
That's why bugs hide underneath there.
That's right.
So they don't get washed away with the rain.
You see the water from this way? Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, look at them berries.
Yeah.
What are they?
I don't know what type.
If you don't know what it is, you don't eat it.
No, you don't. What you see is hard. No, not.
Is it a nut?
It's a. So here you go.
Wow.
So the nut is inside. Okay, let's check the smell.
Yes. Woody?
Take a smell.
Look at that, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Smells very fresh.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, should go back. Should go again. This is tonka bean. Right?
Tonka bean.
Yes, they use this to make perfume.
Oh, wow.
Right?
Does it still smell?
This one. No, this is a
No.
rotted smell, right?
Got a
But
bug
this
on me.
is it's a big seed,
Right.
right? They use to make the seeds bearing.
Right.
Look how many here. So that means the tree is above us,
Right.
right?
Perfume tree.
Yeah,
How about that?
tonka bean.
Tonka bean.
Right.
We
so
have
they-
a Tonka truck.
Oh yes, a tonka. Oh yes. So when we come back, we look at it. If we see any on the ground,
You can get them and pretty up your wife, right?
but you have it's the process, eh?
Oh,
You
okay.
have to process it.
You can't just
Right.
wipe
Just
it on
not-
you.
No.
What was that chirp? As a bird?
Yeah. What kind? Toucan.
Toucan?
Yeah.
Man, I'd love to see a toucan out here. We got wild toucans flying around out here.
Yeah.
I hear you. Where you at, bird? He's up high. He's over to our right somewhere. Over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be. They might be talking to each other.
Look.
Okay. See that big seed?
That big seed.
The big
That's a dried. That's a dried cocoa.
Okay.
Right. There's the next one there. Right.
I don't know if I can point it out. Look at this scenery, y'all. Out over to nothing.
You can see it.
There's even some mist right up in there.
Yes. Yes. Lovely.
How cool is that?
Yeah, and that's to tell you how deep. And you're into the cocoa pod right there.
Right?
See, there's a
Yep.
cocoa tree.
There's a
You see
black
there's
one
a
right
black
there,
pod,
see?
That's a dead one.
Yeah.
Rotted down.
All right.
Look at it.
Oh, what is that? That's another fungus.
And it's another fungus.
What do y'all see?
Just some fungus growing, the way it's growing. Yellow.
Almost translucent.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Look at the size of that bamboo, y'all.
Wait,
We walked right by it and I didn't even notice it.
climb up it?
No, you can't climb up it. You're crazy.
It's wet.
Look,
It's
there's
wet and
one
slick.
growing. There's one growing.
Oh, yeah,
The bamboo shoots?
Yeah,
Yeah.
new bamboo shoots. You see this one is a red color, green. This cocoa. Look at that.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Oh,
a bird just flew right under your
All
arm.
right, okay.
That's red cocoa. And what makes that one red, or the other one's green and black?
Yeah, that's the variety.
Different variety.
You also have a yellow one also.
Wow.
So you have yellow, red, and green.
There's another green one down there. Looks like it's growing almost on the same tree.
Yeah, but this one is from this tree.
Yes, sir. That one's from
one
that
is
tree
from
over
that other tree there.
there. An ant hill. Is that what this is? It's a big old ant hill. You want to sit there with a stick and poke it in there and get them out and eat them? Me neither.
I ain't so much of a bush
I ain't that hungry.
What? You're joking.
This is what?
Right, nutmeg. You ever heard about nutmeg?
Nutmeg. That's like a spice.
The spice? Yes,
Yes.
this is the spice.
How do you eat this?
This is nutmeg. I guess you'd pull that off and you'd grate it.
You grated them, put it in breads and cakes and whatnot.
Take that off of there.
Okay, you have the maize and the seed there. Okay, put back the seed in the maize. Okay. And then you put it in here. Right? And there you go. That's what your pot looks like.
That's what the whole one looks like?
Yep. It's the whole
Awesome.
thing.
And you crack it open. And then that part comes out.
Right.
And then you
This-
pull this.
Yes. This is also a medicine.
Oh, wow.
Right. And this,
You grate it.
Spice.
yeah, you grate it, you dry it, you grate it, you crack it open.
Mm.
Right. And you grate it. And it's a spice. It's what you call nutmeg spice.
Mm.
Right.
Wow.
Okay. So, right. And it's inside here.
Oh.
See how
Let's
many
take
you
a-
want?
Oh, you got a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
There.
Nice. Rough climb right here.
Yeah, boy. You okay, dear?
Yes, sir. We don't have terrain this rugged here
Okay.
where I'm from,
Yes.
but we have gone up into the mountains,
Mhm.
and there is some terrain similar to this.
Yeah, similar.
Similar?
Okay. Right. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
That's coffee bean.
Coffee beans. Is there? Oh, there's beans right there. I'm standing right here. Didn't see it at all.
Apparently they cut the tree down. Right? And they cut the branch, you see it? That's coffee.
Coffee
Can
beans.
we eat them?
Well, no. They've dried, literally rot. Because if you press it, Dewey,
Oh, sorry.
right, take one, a big one, right, and squeeze it, right? You see that grain in there? See that grain?
Mm-hmm.
Right, that's your coffee bean.
That's the coffee bean right there.
Right, that's it.
Waterfall? I hear a waterfall. Oh, look at here. Look at that.
That rock is covered with water, but that's the most concentrated spot.
It's coming off this side too. I can't get a good look at it. I see some right through here.
You can see it really good right now.
The nutmeg came up,
Yes, sir?
so the tree is somewhere around here.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. That's the tree right there.
Right here?
Yep, that's your tree.
Cool.
That is your tree. You see it?
There's one right here. There's some fruit. Oh,
Look right above.
I know. I was trying to do that.
We get it.
He's trying to fall.
Yeah, we get it. Hold on. That's right. Bring him down. Bring him down and pick him right off the bottom. Well done, brother. Well done.
Got him.
Right.
Look at that.
That is as good as you get.
Wow.
You fixed it with
Looked
the
like
bone.
it got so big, it split the.
Yeah, that's
see.
when it's ripe. It's ready
Awesome.
to distribute.
Awesome. Picked it right off the tree.
Well done.
We're left in the back again.
Right. You could put
Is this any good?
Yeah. No, it's not.
Okay, that'll go off and.
Right.
Okay.
I just tie him in here. Oh, you have a spray?
No. Bring it back.
What happened?
Starting the shift. Cartilage has
Bring
been
it back,
damaged
please.
from football.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you said cable.
He's tying up
Oh,
his.
sorry. I said.
Yeah, I was thinking you were talking about that one.
Your knee's giving you issues, so you're gonna tie it in place.
I'll put it
You
on.
want a strap?
All right. Yeah.
There you go.
I figure if I put the strap, it'll be too heavy.
Trust me.
It's pretty light.
Okay.
I use this.
Okay. But this is our customers, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Bush remedy. We'll just tie it up with a vine.
Yeah, that's right. So you hold the ligament here in place
Yes.
and up there.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Tastes like normal water.
It tastes like normal water. Very good.
Taste it. Genuine. Look.
That's not a bad idea.
Not at all.
Splash your face.
That's right.
You might want to take your glasses off, you goofy.
Right. Off the back of your head. Right. Cool you down. Very good. That's the
That
idea.
sounds like an awesome idea.
Want me to wet your rag?
That's what I want you to do.
I knew
Let me
it.
hold. Let me hold. And you go and.
We're good. No, we're good.
You're
We're good. Yes, sir. We're good. We're good.
Oh, you went around there? Oh, he's getting one. Yeah. There's a bunch over there.
Oh yeah, you wanna go?
Probably. I can direct you.
That's it.
I'll take the crab bag.
There you go. Oh, he has a crab bag there.
Oh, he's got a crab.
He's got a
bag.
crab bag.
Okay.
Oh, he's got
Benjamin, be aware of your surroundings.
this one.
Oh, this water is nice and cool. Praise the Lord. Look how clear the water is right here. Look how clear the water is here. Oh my goodness.
Deep pool here, Daddy.
This is beautiful.
There's a deep pool. Come on. Any swimming pool. It's deep. It's deep. And wide.
It's deep and wide. Look how deep it is.
Fire up here. What is that? A red rock. A cool red rock. That one here is so cool. Ooh,
Slippery?
easy.
Yeah, you don't, the big flat ones you don't walk on. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Oh, the stick's gonna come up. Here,
Oh.
oh, there's a fish.
trying to get there, buddy. Look. Maybe line or vine or something. Okay. Which way did y'all go? Up the middle? Whoa.
And then there's a rock. It's like a shelf rock. Okay, this is a shelf rock.
Right.
So you gotta step up before you get the shelf.
Yeah, I took a tumble back there.
Good?
Is this it?
Good?
Don't say it.
Huh?
Don't say it.
I want it to be it.
You don't want it to be it?
I said I want to be able to see it.
Oh, yes.
This the waterfall?
Get it. Oh.
Careful.
Get it to the deep part. Is that it?
Careful.
Alright, watch this slippery rock.
Yeah, I found one back there. I ended up on my butt. Whoa.
I lost my walking stick.
Here it is.
Oh, nope. I'm gonna try to get up here.
Be careful, might be slick.
It is. Went up wrong way, though.
Careful.
It's as nice as it used to be.
Yeah.
Last time I was here about 7 years ago. It was way higher than that.
Oh, really? I'm going to climb back here and get a video of it.
I'm standing up.
You standing up?
You are not standing up. I am.
He is standing up.
Watch. That is cool.
Well,
You'll slide.
if y'all want to go in, go in. We'll,
I'm fine. I got it.
oh, is it that deep?
Are you standing up? Are you standing up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably. Take everything off.
I gotta get in there.
You need so well. Okay, come back. Oh man, that's better. Oh man.
Alright, we have 5 minutes here, right?
5 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, 5 minutes.
It's gonna take us a while to get out.
Okay. All right, go in.
Alright, you get in. Be careful, there are stones at the bottom, don't die.
Wait, Daddy, is your camera on?
It's on right there.
What's in your pocket?
Oh my goodness. This is
Comfortable.
this
Get
is
in.
cold.
It's
This
not
is
that
cold
cold.
water. Oh. All right, stop splashing.
He did it.
I didn't ask you what he did. I said stop splashing.
Oh, it felt so good. Ooh.
He said don't do it.
Right.
Only because I can't
Can't
see.
open it.
I don't want them to get hooked or anything. I don't know if there are roots, bamboo.
Right. Get caught with up
Yeah.
anything underneath there. Man, that's chilly out there.
Yeah.
Ooh. So refreshing.
This is the life.
It really is. Hey, stop it wearing this. Oh, it's so good. You can't see the top of your head when you went under. You look like you were doing this.
It's almost gone, yeah.
Peter, all you could see was this going under. Here, watch. Caleb. Caleb.
Okay.
This
need
has
to get-
me
There
doubting
you go.
myself.
I can see it.
It has what?
Has me doubting myself.
Has you doubting yourself?
Yep.
In what way?
I can't believe this has changed so much
Oh, wow.
so quickly.
When's the last time you've been here, though?
7 years.
7 years. A lot can change in 7 years, brother.
Yep.
A lot can change.
All right, Caleb, Benjamin. You gotta go.
Okay, gotta go.
Let me get all my gear.
I'm ready to go.